Every single day, millions of ice cream bars, cups, and cones are enjoyed around the world. Smooth, creamy, cold, and sweet, ice cream is one of the most loved desserts on the planet. But have you ever wondered how this frozen treat is made inside a massive industrial factory? Today, we are taking you deep inside a modern ice cream production plant to uncover the complete journey, from fresh milk at the dairy farm to perfectly frozen tubs ready for your freezer. If you enjoy discovering how your favorite foods are made inside giant factories, make sure to subscribe to Factory, Food, and Process, because we bring you inside the world's most fascinating production lines. The journey of ice cream begins with one of its most important ingredients: fresh milk. Large dairy farms supply thousands of liters of milk every day. The milk is collected, chilled immediately to preserve freshness, and transported to the factory in insulated tanker trucks. Once it arrives, the milk undergoes strict quality testing. Samples are checked for purity, fat content, and safety standards. Only milk that meets exact specifications is approved for production. Inside the factory, the milk is pumped into large stainless steel storage tanks. Cream is added to increase richness, because the fat content determines how smooth and luxurious the final ice cream will feel. Sugar is then mixed in for sweetness. Depending on the flavor, other ingredients such as cocoa powder, vanilla extract, fruit puree, or stabilizers are also added. Stabilizers might sound technical, but they play an important role. They prevent ice crystals from forming and keep the texture smooth during freezing and storage. All these ingredients are blended together in massive mixing tanks. Powerful agitators ensure that everything is evenly combined into a liquid mixture known as the ice cream base. Next comes pasteurization. The mixture is heated to a precise temperature to destroy harmful bacteria and ensure food safety. This process is carefully monitored using automated systems. After heating, the mixture is rapidly cooled down to protect its flavor and quality. Once cooled, the mixture goes through homogenization. High-pressure machines break down fat molecules into extremely small particles. This prevents separation and gives ice cream its smooth, creamy texture. At this stage, the mixture still looks like flavored milk. It is smooth, sweet, and fragrant, but not yet ice cream. Now the mixture is transferred into large aging tanks where it rests for several hours at cold temperatures. This resting period allows the fat and stabilizers to fully hydrate and bind with water molecules. The result is improved texture and richer taste. If you are enjoying this detailed factory journey, don't forget to subscribe to Factory, Food, and Process for more deep dives into the fascinating world of food manufacturing. After aging, the mixture moves to one of the most exciting stages: freezing. The liquid base is pumped into continuous freezers. Inside these machines, the mixture is rapidly cooled while being constantly churned. As it freezes, air is whipped into the mixture. This process is called overrun. Air might seem simple, but it is essential. Without air, ice cream would be hard and icy. The right amount of air makes it light, soft, and scoopable. Within minutes, the mixture transforms from liquid into soft serve consistency, thick, creamy, and smooth. Now comes the flavor customization stage. If the ice cream includes chocolate chips, cookie pieces, nuts, caramel swirls, or fruit chunks, they are added at this point. Special machines gently fold these mix-ins into the soft ice cream without crushing them. The ice cream then flows through pipes toward filling machines. Depending on the product, it may be filled into cups, cones, tubs, or molded into bars. For cones, automated systems first place empty cones onto moving trays. Ice cream is dispensed into each cone with precise measurements. A chocolate coating may be added to the inside of the cone to prevent sogginess. Some cones are topped with chocolate sauce or nuts before moving forward. For ice cream bars, molds are filled with liquid ice cream and moved through extremely cold tunnels. Once partially frozen, wooden sticks are inserted automatically. The bars continue through freezing tunnels until completely solid. Afterward, they may pass through chocolate coating machines where a thin layer of liquid chocolate instantly hardens around the frozen surface. For tubs and cups, lids are sealed tightly after filling. Labels and production dates are printed automatically. At this point, the ice cream is still soft. It now enters blast freezers, massive freezing tunnels with temperatures that can drop far below -20 degrees Celsius. Powerful cold air circulates rapidly, freezing the products completely and locking in their structure. This rapid freezing is crucial. It prevents large ice crystals from forming and ensures that the final texture remains smooth and creamy. Once fully frozen, the products move to packaging lines. Boxes are assembled automatically. Ice cream items are grouped, packed, and sealed. Robotic arms stack cartons onto pallets with impressive precision. Every hour, thousands of ice cream products leave the factory, ready to be transported in refrigerated trucks to supermarkets and stores. The entire cold chain must be maintained. From factory to freezer shelf, temperature control is critical to preserve quality. The next time you enjoy a scoop of ice cream on a hot day, remember the incredible journey behind that simple, frozen dessert. From fresh dairy farms to precision-controlled freezing tunnels, ice cream production is a perfect combination of science, engineering, and creativity. If you enjoyed going inside this ice cream factory with us, make sure to subscribe to Factory Food and Process and turn on notifications so you never miss our next behind-the-scenes journey into the world's biggest food factories. Because inside every delicious product, there's an extraordinary process, and we will bring it to you. See you in the next factory.